This is the DREAME Aqua10 Ultra, a high-end robot vacuum and mop designed to provide a truly hands-free cleaning experience. It's packed with advanced tech, from extreme suction to a self-cleaning dock that does almost everything for you. Check the link in the description for the best price. Let's dive into how well the Aqua10 Ultra cleans your home. The 30,000 Pascal Vormax suction is incredibly powerful, picking up debris with ease, and the tangle-free brush is a huge. Mopping is highly effective, using fresh water constantly and benefiting from the fluff roll tech for consistent roller cleanliness. Plus for carpets, the Auto Seal Guard and 0.55-inch chassis lift intelligently protect against dampness, a crucial feature. Its OmniSight 2.0 system with AI and LiDAR does an excellent job of recognizing and avoiding over 240 objects. Plus, overall, the Aqua10 Ultra delivers on its promise of powerful vacuuming, advanced mopping, and smart carpet. Next, let's look at how smart and convenient the Aqua10 Ultra truly is. The Power Dock is a game-changer, handling auto-emptying for up to 100 days, hot washing, hot air drying, and refilling, truly hands-free. With AI camera and LiDAR for precise mapping, plus voice control for customized cleanups, it offers excellent smart navigation and setup appears straightforward, but it's important to note it only supports 2. At $1,000, it's a significant investment, making the overall value good, but with a clear premium price trade-off. Ultimately, this robot delivers exceptional automation and smart features, but its premium price is significant. The DREAME Aqua10 Ultra sets a high bar for robot vacuums, offering a genuinely autonomous cleaning experience. Its powerful suction, advanced mopping, and comprehensive self-cleaning dock make it a standout choice for those seeking maximum convenience.